Welcome to another video.
Wait.
So
big
tonight.
Oh, big up my mother and father, and big up my nephew and my niece, and just big up the whole I am. Big up.
So
good
anyways,
news. Big up Good News Release Center of the Prophetic Church of God.
Thank
5
you.
Love Lane, Mapen. Big up.
Okay, so guys, today is a quick video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. I love watching unboxing videos, so I'm doing one myself.
What are you unboxing?
You're gonna see. So I'm trying to find where I can place y'all. Okay, that works. Okay guys, so I went on randomly. I went on this website. It's called Kits. Y'all can see that. Kits. And I went to replace, I use glasses when I drive at night, and my old pair broke. The handle broke, and I thought, oh, I don't need them. But the other day I was driving and I realized, like,
I'm blind.
I need my glasses. And I still have my prescription, even though I probably should have gotten my eyes checked again before I filled them out. But I'm like, whatever. So I went ahead and refilled my prescription. And so this website, the glasses were super, what's wrong with you?
Sorry.
The glasses were super cheap. They were like 20 bucks a pair. I got 2 of them because I'm extra. But yeah.
Why you so enough, bro?
I know, right? Just in case one breaks again. So I probably should have showed you guys actually opening up the box, but this is how they come in the box, wrapped up. They give you free cases, which is kind of cool. I'm surprised they came this quick because I ordered these on Monday. Today is Wednesday.
So wait, if I have my prescription, we can give you and you get this?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. So when I went on the website, I typed in sale, and these were.
Look, I don't.
Okay guys, so essentially I went on the website. You guys know how these websites go. You fill out your you put in what your prescription is, and then they send it to you. So if you live in Canada, this is a great alternative. I know a lot of the websites that I was looking at, a lot of them are based in America, and so it's good that I found I was able to find a company that sells in Canada. So as I said, I ordered these on Monday. They came on Wednesday. I paid 20 bucks a pair.
A pair?
Yeah, 20 bucks a pair. And as I said, because I just wear these for night vision, I wasn't really looking for like to spend more than to spend a lot of money. Yeah, they have like $100.
Premium frames are
yeah, of course.
Big, bro.
Premium frames.
What did you buy?
I said glasses.
Bro, why that's so big though?
I don't know. This is what the case looks like.
Fam, looks like a little tablet today, yo. Yo, you're so extra, yo. Why you don't say you take that on purpose?
And these are the glasses.
That's not so big.
Oh, these feel nicer than the pair I had before. They're sturdy. They don't feel.
It's not test glasses, Shanika.
Yeah, they are.
Oh wow.
Oh, they are kind of big.
For your face?
I think
they're
they are
massive, bro.
But they're for night driving, so who cares? But they're stylish. They're stylish and they're nice. Let's get a close up.
Ooh.
These are really cool.
You don't talk about this paper, bro.
They're really nice. So these are my first pair. These were, as I said, 20 bucks. $20 was the cheapest pair, was the cheapest price point, and I think I had like 4 or 5 options, or 2 or 3 options. So this is the first pair. Can I talk to the people?
Baby, hold up.
This is what this looks like.
This is bomb, bro. Look what I wrapped it in on. This is fire, yo.
It looks pretty cool.
This paper, like, why didn't it go so hard?
Because they want your money.
Cartoon. What do you call this? What would they call it? What the hell? What's
wrapping paper?
Yeah, but look how, like, what are these things, bro? Look how hard them go.
But anyways, guys, these are the first pair, and as I said, these are 20 bucks. Free. I paid $2 for shipping, guys. $2 for shipping. Okay.
Where is it coming from?
It's coming from Vancouver. Oh. So not bad at all. And of course, they have like, I saw pairs for $100. That's still pretty cheap for prescription glasses compared to other places. So I thought it was kind of cool.
I probably have to do the same thing because I find that mine are my frames are not it's not as tight. Oh, okay. So like if I hold on my head, it's like it'll drop off. Even though I don't wear it.
You can probably get the screws tightened.
No, I think the
frames themselves. Okay.
Yeah. So
Maya. Jeremiah's still up. Levi's gone to bed. So here's the second pair.
Bruh. Let me see the thing when they wrap it in it, if it's the same thing. It look like something you want to paste up somewhere, like you don't want to throw it out.
Here are the second pair. This is what they look like. And it comes with the...
See even more at kits.com.
The cleaner. Here's the second pair.
That looked like the one that you had before. Is it similar?
No, the frames I had before were smaller. So these are it, guys. These are my night glasses, what I wear when I'm driving at night. And they're prescription filled.
Ooh.
So they look pretty cool. I like them. 20 bucks, you can't go wrong.
This is fire.
And I bought 2 slip-on brakes. I have a second one.
This doesn't help me at all.
It doesn't?
No. So my prescription is stronger than yours?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, you know. You have to knit your brows so you look deeper.
So yeah, guys, this is what they're looking like.
Leave the link to the website.
I'm definitely going to leave the link. You guys give them a look. Look. They look pretty cool. Yours is higher than me and you're like, you're blind.
No, I'm not.
Don't blame me.
Listen, the power of Christ compels you. I'm not blind.
So this is what they look like, guys.
I
think they're pretty cool. 20 bucks, you can't go wrong.
So hold up, all you need is going to be way more money.
Okay, guys, so let me just quickly tell you. So check out kits.com. That's KITS. They are, I think, a Canadian brand. If they're not Canadian, they definitely ship out of Canada. I got 2 pairs of sunglasses. I got 2 pair of prescription. I got 2 pairs of prescription glasses. They gave me this little gift. And this is, you guys know, this is the cover for your camera. So it kind of covers the camera,
the webcam too.
The
like
webcam.
Not using it.
Right. So this is what they're looking like. They're pretty cool. As I said, I wasn't trying to spend a lot of money, and I was just like, where can I find decent glasses that I can just, you know, I leave them in the car, and only when I'm really driving I put them on. So these are it, and I will definitely let you guys know how they are when I'm actually driving, because yeah. So yeah, this is what they're looking like. So I got myself 2 pairs. The total cost was $40.95. I would definitely suggest you guys give them a try. As I said, they do go up in price. Like, these are not, this is not
the expensive fancy one for all of you enough and love going like
not enough. Please don't say that.
Enough for rich people.
Not enough for rich, but if you want a more expensive frame,
because
quality, and obviously as you go up in price, the styles are better. I think the most expensive pair I saw was like $105. So even in terms of like expensive, it's not that bad. It's pretty good. So definitely check them out, kits.com. They have sales and stuff. I think they even have brand name like Tom Ford. I think I saw like Tom Ford shades and stuff. Yeah, so, and they have sunglasses. So that's what I wanted to come on here and show you guys. These are my night vision glasses, and they're cool and aesthetically.
These are glasses that you wear at night, bro. They're not night vision.
Not night vision glasses that I wear at night for driving. So these are my aesthetically.
Oh, you're lying, fam. Tom Ford $229. What do you mean $100, bro? $376.
Oh, I guess they do go up.
$375. What?
Okay, but anyways, guys, I checked the sale, and that's where I got mine from. So check them out if you're looking for glasses. They're reasonable. You'll get them within 2 to 3 days. I don't have a code.
Can get one. What the hell?
Oh, okay. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Check out the description for details, and I will see you guys in the next video.
All right, you're gonna know. Big up.
Peace.